Welcome to PIERRE Academy. In this video, we will show you how to automate a smoke detector, siren, and notifications. First, let's start with the smoke sensor and siren. As you can see, we have both devices ready. To begin, we'll long press on the siren and tap on automation. Next, click on Add New Automation. Then, choose Existing I/O and select the smoke sensor. It's important to set it to active. After that, press Save. And then Done. Now, let's set it to auto mode. Next, we'll create a notification. Go to the menu, then Settings, and choose Alerts. Click on Add New Alert and name it Smoke Alert. Select the Academy role and choose Receive Phone Call. Then, tap Submit. After this, a new tab for automation will appear. Click on it, then Add New Automation, select Existing I/O once again, and choose the smoke sensor. Set it to active, press Save, and then Done. Now we'll return to the dashboard and let's test it to see what happens. That's it. You've now set up the automation for the smoke detector, siren, and notifications. See you in the next tutorial.